95.1 was the FM. Now, day this is Gantios morning. Now, welcome to our backyard for today. We be today date. Today
number 15 here.
Today, now the 15th of April 2022. Welcome to our backyard. My name is Nedu and me Tombo plus including Favor. All of us.
Offer. No, that time done.
Man, don't hold me.
No, not be man. She sent me a message. She did cry. She said, "Chai, where she has said the on the junction now."
Where she did?
How so tired and done, Ogami?
She always get family issue. Anyway, before we continue, you get what I want to talk. Okay. I beg make una open her ear. If you be married woman where they there and you be married man where they there, I beg open your ear. I know say una go don hear I'm tired on top radio for here. Maybe you go don talk church if you don't talk everybody if you don't talk on top of that woman we sing that was a woman. After una go they tell me say Nedu is a devil. He not like Christians, he not like pastors. All I go tell you say, if you be married woman wait there for the house where then they beat you and you not agree come out. I no one talk say rest in peace. I will not say that because that's too bad. All I'm going to say is safe journey to where you dey go. Now the only thing why I go fit talk because
it ain't not about Wednesday. I thought say moving forward for now, our backyard. We're not going to look into any. My husband want to kill me. He's beating me. I'm dying.
No, we will continue. We will.
Continuously.
We will continuously see our own not to help, and I want to tell our backyard day for. As see, they say they're not the first person to drink water. If you like drag and go stream, you go let drag and go stream. You not go force them to drink water.
It's okay.
So if you dey inside domestic violent family home, then they beat you. They don't turn your face to panteka boom face beat by moi. Makeup artists. And you not agree come out safe journey to wherever you dey go. But if you don't talk say okay this man no he not go kill you and you want help, no problem. We dey here
that one
to help you. We go feel help you. Then you go just shout it. That send Tombo message or you send me message on top of Instagram Nedu_Waziba FM. Send them to me. But I beg, pastors where they hear me. If you dey among those where woman go come meet you for house, say then they beat them, you go say go back and pray. Hellfire is your portion. And if you like vex, I don't care. I don't care. I don't talk my own. Yeah, I said it. You know, say then they beat this woman. Boom. You tell her say don't worry. God, just keep praying. God will do it. Hellfire is your portion, sir. God will change him. See, they're not the change person where they beat person.
They even change character.
They're not the change character.
Now you go decide.
Now you go decide. So okay. Now from the only times when men they stop that thing. Now when like this is starting be name.
Golden.
Like Golden, as Golden they here. Now maybe Golden not marry. Husband come they beat him. Golden they do. He beats me. He beats me. One day the husband slap him. As the husband give him power, where she they turn back like this, come back with backhand, power, knock the man back. That man go stop.
It also don't get stories like that.
Yes, the man go stop. Yes. The man go stop.
One hand.
Or the man they beat you. He don't get one wife here. The man they beat the wife. They just marry you. When they do boyfriend and girlfriend, only slap. Correct. The girl no look at me as anything. Say, it's me that caused it. It's my mouth that caused it. That's why. When he can enter marriage, when the man give him, the one will give her a headache. 2 days later, when she don't get herself midnight, now so she carry knife. Wake the man up, say, look me. If you touch me again,
I die.
I go kill you for your sleep. Wait till I talk. He said the man they shake. He said, I go chook you, kill you for your sleep. Till today, my brother, that man not touch me again.
I know say we men when we don't sleep like this now go to home.
Any man where woman stand up to fear they catch him. Forget all this way men they do braga.
That's smart thing.
That's now. Just tell the man say, Shebi they eat for this house. No, Shabina mean they cook your food.
Don't worry.
If you poison am.
You see all those things, fear go catch the man. And you will be man where they beat woman. They're supposed to cut your machine gun come out because you are not a man. You are an Ontop. That's what you are. You know what you are? You are. That's what you are. That's who you are. But anyway, Moko leave that matter. I don't talk my own. If you get it, then they beat you for house. You need help. We dey here to help you, to bring you out of that bondage where you did. Since you know we help yourself. My problem is, say some people when they beat, then they like to deal with them oppressor. Leave him. He will change. He will change.
Yeah. One woman said I don't beat her for 11 years. And now she won't take care of. She want to take a level. Anyway, yeah, we will come. Well, I'll give you the updates.
When we enter market, once we come back, we continue it on top of backyard. We get matter today. Tombo, talks more before we hand over microphone to her to talk.
Okay. The best way was today, Adela Godin. She reached out to our backyard as a consign waiting the apple for their family.
Yeah.
They didn't touch me. Their papa tell them say him don't buy a house, so he won't pack their ngongo they go to new house. So make them wait 2012.
You know what's going to happen? Golden.
She there, yeah.
What? Put your mouth for Mike.
In the house.
In the house, where will I be?
Yes,
How you do?
Fine, good morning.
Welcome to our backyard.
Thank you.
You go come closer to the mic. You see, as I take close to the mic while they talk. Because, and I say your voice be.
It did okay like this.
Now the voice where they take quarter be that now. I've been saying the quarter. I will slap you. I will just slap you. No. Anyways, take your time. Start from the beginning. Tell us what's in the issue.
Okay. Now, good morning. My name is Golden. In 2012, my papa tell me say he tell all of us say he won't go buy a house. Say make we pack our things, keep them. Say
how many will be?
We be 6. 5 from my papa. 1, the firstborn, and my stepbrother.
Okay.
From a different father. So when he papa
from with your mother.
Yes.
Okay.
So now 6 of us did there. So he can't tell us say with my mama. He can't tell us saying they come.
And he marry your mama well.
Yes.
You did sure say marry your mama in a normal wedding. I be you don't know that one.
I shall know say I see wedding picture.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. Continue.
So he can't tell us say in they come. Say make we pack all our things, keep them down. So
in come out say make him go buy the house.
No. Say he won't go call truck. We go carry the load. Say he don't buy the house.
Okay.
Yes. So as at that point we can't pack all our load finish, can't they wait. We can't carry 2 trucks come. Can't pack our load. Can't tell us say make we wait. All our clothes and everything they already there inside with with our properties. So he said in talk say in they come. Now so we dey wait. We wait till like
wait,
evening.
he carry on our load.
Yes.
For the truck.
Yes.
Go where?
We don't know where he go. He carry my mama car come out. We don't know where he go. He tell us saying they come. Say make he go drop him for the house.
He carry on our load.
Yes.
Carry your mama car.
Yes.
Okay.
Saying they come. Say make him drop those things. He go come back using own car, come carry us.
Yes.
So that was the last I heard of. We all heard from him. That same day, my brothers, some of them begin to go one side. My firstborn disappeared. The second one go. Everybody shall go. It remained my immediate elder brother and me with
where
my
mama.
Go? Me and I don't know where my brothers go.
Okay.
Now so all of them just they go one by one. They tell us say they come. So it can't remain me and my immediate elder brother.
I don't understand. Your papa go like today.
Yes.
Now when the brothers begin go.
When my papa number come, they say switched off.
Like how many days later?
That same day.
Okay.
That same day, because the house where we dey na the former Okiro younger brother wife
police former
yes
okay.
Now he get the house. So my papa been tell us say in pay rent for the house, and we stay there 2 years. We no say my papa no pay, so they don't already give us notice. My papa can't tell us say we no worry, say go buy house, say he don't get money now, say go buy house. Now wetin he tell us. So that same day when we begin they call am, numbers they switched off. All my brothers, like 4 of them come out. It remained me and my mom with my immediate elder brother.
Now who be the person who be the person where they with your mom before your mom marry your dad?
He na one Edo man. My mama leave the man.
Now who be the person where your mama born?
My firstborn.
Una firstborn.
Yes.
You na secondborn.
I'm the last born.
You're the last born. Okay, continue. I dey hear you.
Okay. So he can't leave. Now only me and my immediate elder brother can't remain with my mama.
Yeah.
So we can't stay for the house. Reach the next day thinking say my papa go come back. He no come back. So the woman come they tell us say we need to come up for the house. Say my papa use sweet mouth. Say my papa use sweet mouth and collect house for 2 years. Say he no pay rent. Wow. Say now because of the relationship where my papa get with my Mr. Michael Kiro, now he make an alarm stay for house. So the next day my brother can't go borrow money from person. We can't go hotel. We can't go the stay there. He can't sell in phone. We stayed in that hotel for like I think a week. It's close to the house. We stayed for like a week. Then we can't call my papa, can't tell and say we stay so hotel. So my papa come they tell us say
he still come?
Yes. Can't tell us say make we no vex. Say get wetin happen. Say make we just stay for that hotel where we dey. Him come pay money for 2 weeks. So my mama come dey ask and say why him dey pay money for 2 weeks? Say what about?
She don't go pay. Yes. Don't go buy a house.
Say what about the house where him go pay for? He say something happen. Say she no go understand. And it's as if those weeks were in that hotel. And at that time my mama come begin dey abnormal. She no go dey talk. She go just dey look. Cause after that day when my papa pay, we no see am again. So after the money come expire, my brother come call and come tell and say whether they carry us go the house again. My brothers too, they call, they ask us say how far whether we don't see my papa. They say we can't tell and say we never see him. Saying just come put us for hotel, come pay for hotel where we did rather. So after the 2 weeks elapsed, my papa come carry my mama go park. Say make she go her village go stay. That's in Enugu. So he took her to the park. I think it was early in the morning that day. That same day, early in the morning, he took her to the park that she should go to Enugu and say that after a while he will come back and pick her.
Your mama not ask him the house where he say they go by?
My mother was asking him before, but I don't know how the thing happened. She started acting somehow.
And how long this one take after in pack on things? Like a week or 2 weeks?
3 weeks. Because we stayed for 1 week and then he came and paid for 2 weeks.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay, continue.
Yes. So she no talk anything. She just say okay. No clothes, no nothing. We they do wash and wear. The one way we still wear, now we they wash, they hang. You know, give us the clothes back. So after my mama can't go village, I don't know what I no come to hear from am again. I don't know as the thing can't take down. So now my auntie can't send person, make he come. Can't send person to my firstborn. My firstborn, I can't tell my firstborn say see where we do, see the hotel where we do. So he can't they talk say our mama don't they behave abnormal for village. Say whether make we go meet our papa. So along the line we can't hear say my papa don't open beer parlor.
Ewo.
Yes.
Continue.
Say he don't open beer parlor. And the person can't tell us where the beer parlor dey. And at that same area when he tell us say he won't buy house. And there the thing dey. So as the money for the hotel finished that period, my papa no come back. My brother come they stay for uncompleted building that year. So if you go meet my papa, they use gun, they pursue us. They tell us say make we come out. Say no one see us for.
Ain't get gun?
Yes.
How ain't they get gun? Now police have been a soldier MB.
He get his own license, but I know saying get connection with police, but he's not a policeman.
Oh wow.
Yes.
Okay.
So they tell us
good afternoon.
Would they come up with
200 naira per.
So now welcome back to our backyard. Welcome back to our backyard. Aria Golden. Continue. You stop where you say your una firstborn come meet you. Continue.
Okay, so when my brother come, we come.
Took your mouth from
Okay, so when my brother come, he come they tell us say make we go my papa place. Say no know where the remaining. Everybody just scatter. So
that's in beer parlor.
Yes.
Okay.
So when we can't go there, my papa come dey use gun dey pursue us, say we no comot, say him go shoot us. So we come dey ask am say what of our clothes and the house wey he say he wan buy. He say he no owe us anything, say we don be adults, and that time I be 18 years. So he come tell, I think 18 or 17. So he come tell us say I don be adult, say na my mates dey marry, say I don reach to
Go marry.
Say make I go marry. So na so we come dey waka up and down. My firstborn, he leave us comot for that place like that. So na me and my brother come dey roam that place. So na people come dey talk to my papa, dey tell am say make him find where we go stay, say e no good as we dey see us dey sleep for building up and down. So my papa come carry us go Idimu for council, come rent get one house wey be like barracks, wey dey be like up to maybe 30 or 40 people inside. Come go collect one room for there, come tell me and my brother say make we stay there, come give us come buy this student mattress, put for there, come tell us say he buy wrapper, or I don't know where he from bring that thing, say make we use cover the window, say make we stay there first, say make him make arrangements for where we go dey stay. Now so me and my brother begin stay there for like 2 years.
Wow.
Yeah. So after that 2 years, that period we dey go dey meet my papa, but they always dey chase us comot.
So wetin una come dey do for the full 2 years?
We're not doing anything. Most times my brother go just dey do small work, dey bring money.
Wow.
Yeah.
Una no go school, nothing.
No.
And that time my mother dey village.
Yes.
And una not see una mother.
No, we didn't see her.
Una not follow her talk.
No.
Wow. Okay, continue.
So after that, almost that 2 years don't reach. So I can't tell my brother, say make we go make we go meet my papa again. Say make we beg and say if there is anything we did to him, make him forgive
Make it
us.
forgive una.
So we can't go there. He can't dey talk say we no do anything. Say in just one day on his own. Say he no want responsibility again. Say he don't tire. So we can't dey tell am say okay, how we wan take reach her mama? Now you send am go village.
Yes.
Now we don't know where exactly
Yes,
she dey, because they say she dey room.
Yes.
So my papa can't give us money, say make we enter motor go find my mama
mother,
for village. Say shebi we know her village. I say yes.
Where una from?
Delta State or
Okay.
Ogwashuku.
Ogwashuku. Okay, continue. What's your papa name first of all?
Vincent Iwobi.
Vincent Iwobi.
Yes.
Iwobi like Iwobi where they play for Arsenal. Hey. Ngwa continue. I got Vincent Iwobi. They hear your matter for radio abi. Continue.
So
where in beer parlor dey? You still get the beer parlor till now?
No, he don't sell that one. I don't they do hotel.
Where the hotel dey?
I don't know.
Oh, yeah,
But he dey
continue.
for Shasha.
But he dey Lagos.
He dey Shasha area.
Yes.
Continue.
So that period now, I can't call my auntie. I can't ask my auntie say whether she know where my mama dey. She can't say yes, say she dey her house, but say she go carry and come back to Lagos, cause my auntie get house for First Stack. So now then my mama can't dey stay with my auntie. So my auntie can't dey use they can't dey, she dey carry and they go hospital.
Yes.
She dey give spiritual these herbs where they do. She dey do both of them the same time. She know they get well. So at a point she can't know she know they remember anything again. If she see me like this, she feel no recognize me, she go they call me another name. And now that time when my papa leave us, now that thing begin to
happen to her.
Yes. So make I just move to the recent one will be 2017, because if I talk the matter
Continue, yeah.
plenty. So after that period I can't dey like shuttle from friend house up and down like that they do small work. So in 2016 my auntie come talk say she don tire. Say why my papa go abandon my mama like that, and my brother say they no even dey come dey check on my mama. So she come tell my mama say make she go. So na me go carry go my brother place, that place where we dey stay for council, where I tell you my papa give us.
Yes.
That my firstborn come there, come go dey stay for that place after we comot, cause me and my brother comot for that place. So that my firstborn, and that one he shall go there go dey stay. So I know say na there in there I can't carry my mama go drop for that place, that same one room in 2016. So my mama stayed there till 2017. My brother come back with him baby mama and him pikin, leave my mama for the room. Tell my mama say the same thing my papa do, but this the person wey do this one no be my papa pikin, no. na my step brother from different papa, but na the same thing wey my papa do na
him dey do again.
Yes,
because he learn am from your papa now.
Yes, so he can't leave my mama for there. He collect her phone, leave her for there. So I can't dey call my mama number, the thing no dey go. I can't say make I go there go check her. That was like the people wey dey live there tell me say na like 2 or 3 weeks ago when my brother pack comot wey they no see am again. So after that one, I can't call my brother. I can't tell am say why you leave my mama for there. He can't dey tell me say whether I no know as my mama dey behave, say he don tire. I can't say no problem. That period, me and person dey stay, and we don agree say we no go dey carry family member or friend dey come the place because na self-contained. Yes. So I no fit carry am go there, and I hold small money that time. I can't carry my mama go stay for hotel because I no know where I wan carry am go. My auntie don reject, don talk say make we no carry am come again, and I no fit carry am go my papa side. So we can't dey stay for hotel. We stay for the hotel for like 2 or 3 months or thereabouts. I dey call my brothers during that period say I did there. Some of them go tell me say as I don dey there, say make I begin dey do ashawo work. Say God don give me breast and yansh, say make I no allow waste. Yes. Yes. So say
that's what your papa dey tell you.
No be my papa, my
Your brother.
brother.
Your brother.
Yes.
Sorry. I see your papa na mistake.
My brothers now.
Yes. Say God don give me body. Say make I no allow am waste. Say my mates don dey drive motor like this. Say make I go dey do ashawo work from there. Say if I dey do the ashawo, say from there I go dey pay money for the hotel where we dey stay. So I can't call my auntie again, come begin dey beg am. Say I no get where I wan stay, and say my brother don leave my mama comot. That period first, she begin dey vex. They tell me say what my brother dey do. Like I come tell her say me I no know, and I no know where I wan carry.
Oh, sorry. No verse. Our advert just they jump. Will they come back? Moko rush enter market. Will they come back? Just wait. Welcome back to our backyard. Welcome back to our backyard. Make we go back. Keep your paper. Make we go back. Golden. Oh yeah, continue. Will they hear you? Talk to us.
Okay, so
fast forward come now. Fast forward come now. Now
okay.
Here where you dey now. Where your mother dey now?
She's with me currently.
She dey with you now.
Yes.
Would that your friend house?
No, my auntie that period, my auntie excuse me, that period my auntie come later give me money make I take rent house because in that 2017 when my brother leave my mama, I can't go carry my mama drop for one of my brother place where they stay for Gowon Estate. That one is my first born. So that one no gree open door. Me and my mama they stay for church. No, my mama they stay for church. They can't call me. Say my brother no open door. That was after 2 days. They use my mama phone call me, tell me say make I come. I come. They ask my brother say why you no want make my mama enter. He say she can't enter. So you get as that in place be in a room and parlor. You go first enter the passage before you see another door where you go use enter. Now that passage, now my mama, now keep my mama make it they sleep. So I they give her food, they do anything. So my mama go just dinner.
You get what your mother do?
To the best of my knowledge, I don't know. I don't know.
Fire.
So I no feel leave my mama for there, so I can't dey stay for the passage with them. I can't go carry my mattress.
And your brother go waka pass una.
He dey match the mattress. They match am. He dey match the mattress. Then him and his girlfriend they go enter. They know they give us food. They know they give us water to bath. So they fetch water outside. He get one public toilet where the church no be public toilet na the church toilet cause church dey inside the compound. So the toilet na the church get am and bathroom. So na there we dey bath, dey go toilet. So after a while I come meet and say whether we do anything to am wey no wan make we enter in place. He say nothing. Sometimes sef he no go even talk to me. Later he come dey tell me say make we comot, say he don tire, say we dey bring disgrace for am, say I don carry mattress come put for there like say that passage na house. I come tell am say then open door make we enter, open door make she dey there because say I no fit leave am. If you leave am for this passage, you no go fit dey on her own because she doesn't know how to do anything for herself anymore. So he no agree. That was the period I can't call my auntie. I can't dey beg am. I can't call am on video call because then my auntie dey US. So I can't show am where my mama dey and wetin my brother dey do. So she can't send me 400,000. Say make I use and go rent
House.
yes, rent house. So she can't ask me say which kind of house I won't find. I tell her say na self-contained I won't find since na me and my auntie insist say no. Say make I find 2-bedroom or room and parlor. I can't tell her say the money
not rich.
no then as I then it go rich but no be na old house for that house. So I can't tell her say I no wan use the whole money rent house. She say no, say if I no do wetin she dey tell me say she no go dey assist again. I can't go rent the room and parlor. My auntie tell me say she go dey support with house rent, say she go dey give us half. After that one na the last way my auntie do. He can't leave me dey hang for there. Now wetin I can't dey tell my brother say I tell them say my auntie give me money for rent. Say after this one say me sef I no go get mine to dey ask her for money. Say make they contribute. Say if na half me I go bring half cause the rent na 250. I can't tell them say if na half make una bring then I'll bring the remaining. I'll bring 100. People should bring the remaining 150 cause I know say they you get as they take the behave make it no be like say I go tell them say make they pay the whole rent. They say okay they don't hear till that was in 2018 I collected that place till date. None of them brought a dime.
Now your the matter self don't hook me. Now the question now, the question now, your mother did that same house with you now.
Yes.
Now your
sorry, my firstborn in 2020 he say he won't come see my mama on her birthday October 1st. So he brought his daughter with his baby mama to my place that he wants to celebrate with my mom on her birthday, this and that. That was how he left his daughter with me and disappeared. Yeah. Then she was 5 years. So he come dey tell me say shebi I know say how in baby mama they do say if she take alcohol because me sef I know say the lady get problem. Be like say na spiritual problem where they use call people from all this Liberia and Mali. If they born outside they go make them they get scores so they go they misbehave till you send them back with their pikin. Now so people for that side they do. So the thing come they worry the lady. So he come tell me say shebi I see as she dey behave. Say in they beat the pikin, this and that. I say okay no problem. How long she go there? Say a month. Saying go just saying go when they walk. Now there in they stay.
And the girl say they stay with nothing now.
The lady she ran away.
With the pikin.
No.
Your brother
no.
pikin.
No, her daughter, my niece is still with me.
Nah. They ask say the pikin still there with you.
Yes, the pikin still there with me. The mama come out last.
But your brother they come back, can't see the pikin.
In they come before, but now they had them to come. The day way I know they now he go won't come because you know say if I see him, I go tell him say make he carry the pikin. He came on, I think on Tuesday. I think it's on Tuesday he came, yes.
Now your papa they were in there, all your brothers they do waiting then they do. Your mother they with you, you know. I see be your brother live in daughter. I'm sure the daughter go down there like 10 years now or more.
No, she's 7 by July.
She's 7 by July. They leave that one with you. They carry responsibility where nothing concern you on top, but on your family regardless. Now, the matter don't they where it is now. So waiting come make you carry and come our backyard. Waiting you want me could do for you on this issue.
Sincerely, I don't know what I want to do because I don't want to talk say my mama don't be liability, but I don't tire.
Now, as you don't tire now, waiting you want me to do.
As it stands now, accommodation problem day. For 2 years now, I never pay rent. The landlord.
Where all your brothers there?
My immediate elder brother, they don't marry him. Then the first
See, they
one.
don't marry him.
because when you
See,
marry,
they don't marry him.
when you marry, now woman supposed to come meet you for where you dey. But now you go Port Harcourt, go to live for the lady for the girl house. So that's how they thought say they don't marry. I mean, and he no tell us when he marry. Even when he born, when he still dey Lagos that time, they no carry pikin come show my mama. Now my papa they go show because they feel say my papa people they popular say in still hold money. They use my papa they make mount say my papa is Vincent, my father is Vinny Obi and all that thing. So they know they no show my mama the pikin. And when he marry, he no tell us. He just packing things, relocate, go they live for the girl papa house. Now make me thought say they don't marry him.
They don't marry him.
So all your brothers then they. But they don't
Yes,
abandon
but
you
the
and your mama.
second one, I don't know when they since like 1 year now. I never see him, but in they come, my house, come see my mama. But all of them, they come fight me or beat me. Like my third born, he came March 12 on a Saturday. So in the always they come with different ladies. They will come, be like saying they tell them say in they feed me or in they pay house rent. So I always they keep quiet. They no go greet me, no go talk to me. So this last one wey happen March 12, I come ask the girl wey in carry come say whether she no sabi greet. You enter person house, you no greet me. My brother sef no talk to me, and I sure say na person wey be say I see no, cause I see am when I small girl. My brother come tell me say if I no apologize to the girl, say he go beat me. So my mama come dey tell me say make I ignore am. I now ignored. The next thing he started dragging me and pressing me and beating me. So I ignored him. I still went away. That day the clothes I wan wear go wedding, he tear am for my body. The person wey wan help me zip the clothes, he beat the woman join. I fit even still give you the woman number cause na my neighbor and the woman get belle.
Now, my question is, and I'll be honest with you. Okay. We're not raise money for our backyard.
Okay.
Except person decide to say, okay, oh, I want help these people. We know what thing we they do specifically for the show. But my question, I say, he get wetin your mama do, regardless whether he do or he not do. He get wetin your I just feel say something something is not correspond.
For the man to
something's
just
not some gist
Not clicking.
It not clicking. A lot of things not they click for this matter.
Okay, you shock me. The man wake up, pack on a load.
A lot of things not they click for this
don't
matter.
buy a house, take off till tomorrow.
A lot of things not click for the
man
matter.
Number there. In fact, all his brothers number there.
A lot of things not they click for the matter. Hold on. A lot of things not click for this matter. I they call your brother now.
Oh, Green. Okay, Green.
Now that
Green.
one 9 beats me.
Oh, in the list that was up there. We get a number here too. In the chat as well.
Hello, Green. Good morning.
Yeah, hi. Good
I
morning.
off your radio.
Yeah, I'm doing so right away.
Talk to us. You don't hear your sister talk from beginning to the end.
Yeah, I received a call from friends and saying someone was online talking about my father, and I felt it was a stranger. Then I heard the voice and I found out it was my younger sister.
And you listen small. You hear what thing happen.
Yes, I basically heard all she said. Though I didn't start from the beginning.
Yes.
So what I had to do was allow few of my brothers that could have access to listen.
Okay.
You understand? So
yes.
First off, this is what I want to say. Yes, there's a family dispute between my father and my mother.
Yes.
But there's also sibling rivalry. I would not want to come online to completely say shit about my younger sister.
True.
But there are questions, vital questions I think you people need to ask her.
Exactly.
Does she work? What does she do for a living? Like, what does she do? What has she done? You understand that she can pinpoint. Now, if you listen to what most of the things she's saying, she said, my auntie bring this one, this one bring this. What have you brought? Then you say you talk about, you're just trying to, you know what my sister is doing basically? She's trying to disgrace herself. You understand? Because my younger brother in Port Harcourt, which she said somebody married him away, everybody has the reason why they left. You understand? And I don't, like I said, I do not want to come. This is life. Everyone,
everybody
my other
here.
brother that works, Jeff, she knows him. The one she said stepped on my mother or left her in the passage. You see, all those things are just things that one cannot cut. These are Nollywood stories she's telling. Because if you are the sister, you're the only girl.
Yes.
You're the last girl. You
Yes.
don't respect any of your siblings. My elder brother that she said left his daughter gives you 20,000 naira. Whether he sends the money every 6 months, he sends 20,000 naira and he sends you the 20,000. You use it in buying the record of rights.
But hold on, green.
Yeah,
I've been listening to everything and I understand where you come from. But that 20,000 own, he say whether he send them for once for 6 months, it not make sense now. More leave that part.
Are you getting my point?
Okay.
We are six. We are six. Everybody now want. everybody is doing what their capability can
exactly.
Can come up with.
Waiting their power go free carry. Yes.
Yes, everybody is doing their power free carry.
Yes.
So I'm just saying, even if he's bringing 1 naira,
it's something.
but at least at the end of the day, he brings in something. Now, let me give you an instance. My sister can also loudly say, I come there once in 6 months, but at least I bring more than half bag of rice. I bring noodles, I bring gari, I bring yam. You understand? That's my sister, my younger sister, she's just 20-something. She will not come downstairs to come help me. I will go to the market with my younger sister. My younger sister will sit inside the car and will not come down. Then she's saying that I come to the house with different girls.
Maybe, please, when did you bring half bag of rice, please? When did you bring half bag of rice? Which day have you ever brought half bag? I'll call Uncle Oliver. I'll give them his number.
Like I said, I would not want to state a lot of things about my sister online.
The day I stayed inside the car, was it not the day I came to bail you from police station at Ijaye when they arrested you? Was it not the same day I came to bail you? Maybe Uchena's number is here. They will call Uchena and they will ask Uchena will testify to how many times I have bailed you.
The anchor now with the anchor and with here. Okay, go on. Green. You know what's going to happen? Yeah, you know what's going to happen? We get small time to go break. So Moko go market break. When I come back, if I have to call you, I'll call you or call another person.
No. You know why I need you to call me?
Yes.
You know why I need you to call me?
Yes.
Now I need my sister to state what she wants, basically.
Okay, good.
You understand?
Then yes, because the truth is, when Moku live waiting past under bridge, make it be water. Exactly. Waiting don't happen. What we're looking for is to make things better. So we're gonna call you back. We'll come back from break. Then we'll look for how to forge ahead to make things better. Is that okay?
No, that's fine.
All right, thank you, my brother. And we sit there here with Golden. Golden, you don't hear what your brother talk.
Yes.
Talk with you want to talk. Now you can talk.
As regards to what my brother said, he knows about my mom being with me since 5 years. He's saying, what have I contributed? I've contributed my time. I feed my mother and I feed myself.
For how many years you don't take care of your mother?
5 years, 2017. This is 2020. Let me say 2016 ending, because that was when my brother left. So 2017. Yeah. Yes, still date. And my brother where you just talked to now, Green, he will be. What he brings is like maybe half pint of rice, half pint of beans, 1 tuber of yam. As I'm saying it now, so they bring them with half bottle of red oil and groundnut oil, 2 spaghetti. Don't finish, and that's 6 months. Every 6 months, that's what he does. He did it last year, and last year I think around August, and he just came again March 12, which is the one I told you that I now had to tell him, why do you always come with people? They don't greet me, they just ignore me, and you're entering someone's house. The thing can't turn fight. I can still drop the woman's number that he beat. She saw the full story.
Where Green beat?
Yes. I will call her the woman's number. She's my neighbor. He beats the woman. The woman husband can't call police for me. My brother can't run come out. He did not wait that day. This same person.
Beat the woman?
The woman won't enter the house. Come help me zip my clothes where I won't wear come out. My brother say me she no enter. She can't tell my brother say no be you rent this house. Say I never see you for here before. I don't know you. How can you tell me not to enter a house I've been entering since? My brother can't tell her say if she get too head, say make she enter. This one is not my phone. I've not touched this thing, so I can call the woman's number. I have it in my head. She will explain what happened that day. My brother said don't enter, and the woman now entered. My brother beats the woman up.
Okay, now Golding, we'll call Green back. We'll call Green back in a bit. But before we call Green, I know I haven't talked to your papa. Cannot get business to your papa. We just leave him. He don't make him day where in day.
Don't Kawasaki.
He don't work. Make him day where in day. I wish him well for whatever in they do. We wish him well. We not the vex for him. Na him sit down. Na him come out machine gun. Na him poor camo. Na him bomb Pekin. Na him don't why they laugh.
Na him poor camo.
Na him poor camo now. Born 6 children. You reach 5, be born 5 children. You can't see say okay, children where you born. When it be say you as a father supposed train your children to go school, after school, then leave them, make them take care of themselves. You run, come out for road.
Pack,
come out. No, it's okay. Now what do you want to do? Now you do them. Now you decide. We're not vex for you. We just wish you well. We say God bless you for the good thing where you do. Amen. Now, whether Green they right, I be you they right. Whether Green they wrong or you they wrong or all your other brothers they right or wrong. You know, it matter and at the same time it no matter. Now not be time to delay blames as far as I'm concerned, because if we say make we dey talk blames right now, matter go full basket. If we say make we dey trade blames, it go plenty. Wetin happen don't happen. Now how do we how we go take go forward? How we go take move forward? Because obviously it dey clear say una family quarrel dey, una no love una self. Una no love una self. Na im be the truth. I go call Green again.
You be like send a message.
He send message now.
They don't bam.
So he not do NIN.
Not do.
We go call Green. Una go, and as we dey call, I no want, oh, you do me this one, you not do me. Green, you dey hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Now, my brother, I bet I know they like hear myself. Come on for where the radio dey. Just come out.
Yeah, I'm listening.
Now, you do the one way you do. Your sister do the one way she do. Now, this golden here, maybe you feel say she gets some attitude or not, or which attitude. This guy alone, don't they take care of una mama? According to what she talk. Hold on. According, my brother, check go now, check Kampucha now. You will talk.
Right,
according to her, she don't take care of her mama for years. According to her. Now, the truth is, whether na once in 6 months una they contribute to na own, I been na once in 10 years, it don't pass. Now, time market again, no go single market.
Just like how many minutes?
Now, now lasting solution we define now. So Green, what you go do for me as we dey go market? Biko, call your brothers. Make una agree on something. In the next 3 minutes, I go call you back. Then Una and Golden.
I don't know if it's Nedu that is handling.
Nedu dey talk. Na me dey follow you talk now. Baba, listen. Baba, wait now. Baba, time not dey.
I'm not going.
Baba, I get seconds to go market. I get. Oh Jesus! I have seconds to go on commercial. So I beg, I go call you back. But I beg, make una agree on what una go do. Why we go commercial? And then I go come back.
All right, that's fine.
You see, okay. Now if you get solution, I go call you back for the solution of waiting you get, so that we go move forward from this matter. Then if na make una two meet una self, una go sort am out. But make we enter market once we come back.
Listen,
we continue.
Oh,
my brother, chill now, Diama. Oh. I think I want go market. You see the talk. Would they come make we enter market, Biko? Would they come back? Except now my eyes now know they do me well.
From big boy.
Yeah, a big boy.
No, your eye they do you any. You see.
You are a big boy.
Big fine clean boy.
You are a big fine clean boy.
Clean in. But,
clean boy. Green, from what I can see on your page, you are a very fine clean boy. You understand? You're living in a fine house. But I hear say your sister, according to what your study tell us now, say you for her house for 2 years now, they never get light. They never fee pay light bill for 2 years. Your mama rush is full her body.
No be light. They don't disconnect us because we don't pay house rent. And he know.
Oh wow.
never pay rent.
Yes, they disconnect the water, disconnect the lights. And he know because if they come there like once in 6 months, come see us. So I don't tell him he know. No be saying no.
What in be your that one a firstborn? I need to call that firstborn. I need to call Uchenna. I need to call that firstborn.
Two of the numbers they are picking.
9 be the top one.
Uchenna
the one where I tell you say can't carry my phone.
The firstborn.
You can't carry your phone.
Yes.
They come her house, thief out of her phone.
Oh, he thief your phone.
Yes.
Which kind of
Collect
family
sneakers, that's your girlfriend.
No, sneakers, my shoe, you can't give him girlfriend. So my niece now can't they tell me, in Pikin, now can't they tell me, say my daddy took your phone and your shoe, he gave it to Auntie Mary.
Oh, Tokolo.
Green sent me WhatsApp message, say I will be driving out soon. I don't like this call, leave my siblings. But why? You get other siblings now, nobody you will go talk to now. Green, what we go call you? Make we call Uche. If we fit talk to Ram, fine. If we not fit talk to Ram, then we come back to you. But the thing is, now lasting solution now we also define. Now waiting Golden, why you go like make we call who be married to Wobi?
Now one of him brothers too. One of our brothers.
Now the one we senior this Green.
Waiting with the call him for. Waiting if we call him now, waiting go do for us.
I'm gonna call the bride. The bride no pick. Uchenna.
Uchenna na the one wey him pikin dey my house. We no one come carry am.
But
And he no say the house. He don't see this paper. Say they don't give me notice as in.
You know what's going to happen? Make we open phone line 0700-951-951-951 0700-951-951-951. I beg, una wey dey there, wey dey hear us. Waiting una feel say be the solution to this thing before we call the brother Green back. Let's go.
Morning.
Off your radio now.
Off am.
please,
Hello.
Hello,
Yeah, who they talk?
GMG offline.
GMG, welcome. Talk to us, we dey hear you.
Morning.
Good morning.
But how they do this matter, they tell me because these people they came from my side. They came from Ogwashuku. How can you abandon your family? Oganedu, the genesis of this matter. Now their papa, you know how the family where their mother
Of
don't
course,
do anything.
obviously.
They are all this. I'm so sorry to say. The man no want to take responsibility. He can't leave the children. Everything can scatter. No love among them. You understand? So
Yes.
the boys took after the steps of their father. So what I'm saying now is that this girl now, she needs help for herself and her mother. That
Yes.
is what I'm just seeing here.
Yes.
Like what the brother is saying, that guy is lying. The way they talk now lie. You don't even want maybe get talk some certain things. So the only thing I can say is that the only way they can help this girl and the mother find work for her, maybe one room, make they just live their life. That boy, in fact, I don't want to pass like this. Now well done.
Thank you, GMG. Hello, we're on the phone line. Welcome to our backyard.
Hello, lady.
Yeah, good morning. Who they talk?
This morning is from Ejibo.
Talk to us, we dey hear you.
See, what I see in this case,
Yes, ma'am.
this family,
Yes.
they do not train them in one family, in one mind. And as it is now, since this one has already bring out her mind to take care of this woman,
Yeah.
whether they like it or not, now leave them now, wherever they are. In a month, any how much you will bring this one, bring how much, bring the, in a month, let them be giving this one to take care of this woman until the last day, the day that God say, oh yeah, come. Because if you continue to say, this one you do me this one you do me, you will
They're not go go, yes. All right, thank you very much, ma. I don't hear them. If they continue, they say go front, go back. I not go go. Now, Golding, I want to ask you, what do you feel, say, before we call Green, what do you feel, say, be the solution to this whole thing? Just tell us. What do you feel, say, be the solution to, because as he did, all your brothers don't face their front. All of them don't face their front. In fact, as he did so now, you're on your own. I make you just face the I don't know. I'm correct me if I'm wrong, go. As it is so now, you're on your own. If anybody, you they do your own thing. If them bring anything, fine. If they not bring, you don't already hold on for your mind. Now I can understand where they come from. The burden of you not being able to have your own life for the past years. Your youth don't almost go because of say you they take care of your mama was supposed to take care of you. Now you they take care of your mama. You know, yes. Not be you see, I know you hear they cry. I know, I understand. So the thing is, what do you feel say be the thing to move forward? What do you be the thing to do? It's okay. It's okay.
I want maid to take care of my mama. I'm tired. I asked them to get a maid so that someone will be there and be looking after her. Let me go out and do something for myself. None of them will say I've not told them about this house help of a thing. They will tell me go and look for when I finish. It will end up in story. Is that I remember when you did me this thing? Remember when you did me this one? There is none of them from beginning to the end we go talk say and they never benefit from me in one way or the other, because if they get issue, if they call
but
me,
not be about benefiting from you. Now about your mother. About your mother.
Okay, about my mother. Now I've told them take responsibility. None of them wants to do anything. What I want is that they should take care of my mom. Let them rent a place. Let them be paid. Because for now, I'm not capable. He's saying, what have I contributed? I agree. I've not contributed anything. I've not done anything for my mother. I accept. Let them, my seniors, because I'm the last born. All of them are senior to me. They knew when I went to carry my mother. I told them. When I told my second born I was in the hotel, I was even begging for food at a point. None of them. This green turkey will not say he did not know. So I want them to take responsibility because this is 5 years. I'm not getting young. I cannot be sitting down at home looking after my mother. If I locked my mother in the house, we stay in a bed, I locked my mother inside. I dropped the key with the estate security. Because if I leave the door open, she might just walk outside. She's always looking for me once she does not see me. She'll go and start asking security. From there, she'll go out. She has gotten lost before, if not that people know her as my mother, because most times I take her on strolls. It was somebody that saw my mother and called me that my mother is in a better market.
Oh, Jesus.
This same Green has locked my mom outside of his house in Gowan Estate. My mom slept in the dog cage. Then he chased her away to the market. Called Uchenna Irohi, my firstborn. It was him who went to pick my mother. This same Green that is talking, but there are so many things I don't want to say about him. Let me just not go further, because if I do, he will not walk the streets of Lagos. Because all my brothers are like beasts. God forgive me. All of them, they act like they didn't come out from somewhere. They don't have blood flowing in them. If I begin to mention things they have done to me, I don't think the talk will end today.
It's okay.
I won't go for that. Let them, please. What I want is let them take care of my mom. Let me face my life first.
We go call Green back. Once we come back from this quick short message, market, we go call Green back. Then here we think go talk. If we have to continue this issue on Monday, we'll continue.
We'll continue.
But when they come back, we go enter market.
All right. 95.1 was Zobia from Lagos, and that was and still on top of our backyard. We will just try to reach out to Green. It will be then from there. We'll know how to begin press the matter. Don't forget, say when it knock 11 o'clock, we'll begin carry our kaya come out for inside studio. Gordon, I got to do be ask you one question before we come out, and I ask you, say, what thing you truly want, and then you can't talk, say, you go one, make your brothers begin take care of your mama, Abby. Make her bless your mic off. Okay, you hear me?
We go try call your brother. We go try call Green again. Green, if you hear us, Green call not the connect again.
It be like in the drive.
It be like saying the drive network not there. In the light of some kind informations we will get, we're not gonna like share that information for obvious reasons. But the truth is, as the matter don't dey where it dey, Green, if you dey hear me, I beg, call your sister. The thing we una go fit do for una mother, I beg, make una help do am. We go see visit this matter briefly on Monday. But the thing we una go fit help take do for una mother, I beg, make una do am. Now your sister they ask for, say she not want anything. She just want make una get nanny, get a house for your mother, get a nanny for her. Then make the nanny they take care of your mother. Then while she feel live her own life, feel hustle for herself and take care of her own self. Because how old you they now?
29. I'm not gotten to 29. I'll be 29 by November.
And you don't take care of your mother since you be 24.
Yes, since 2017.
Since when she be 24, now she don't take care of her mother. So obviously she never fit live her own life. Okay, Green say make I call him now. So Green, I dey call you back now. He gets some things where are not fit, maybe not off air, but more I call you first of all. Some of the things now off air I go tell you, but for now, make I follow you talk. Do I go follow you talk? Green.
Yeah, hello.
Yeah. So he got some things where me and you go talk after we'll go off air. You hear me? But for now, for this one, wetin be the thing where you go fit do to assist your sister? Because she say wetin she want now. Say she not to need anything from Mona. Now just say okay, get place for your mother, get nanny for her, so that she can face her own life. She's not getting any younger. You
I
understand
want to say something.
Go ahead, my brother.
Okay. Yeah. I'm going to propound the solution from my own angle.
Okay.
My siblings, I believe, if she's told you about me, my siblings are married. My younger ones are married. They've got kids. It's just Golden and I that are single.
Yes.
I don't have a child. So I do not have excess responsibility.
Okay.
So as much as I know that I will try to understand where all of my siblings are coming from, I cannot blame my father and I will not blame my siblings. Everybody is an adult. You understand? Now, I would not want to sit on saying that there were no family issues. What I can only do is contribute the little I can, and everybody should also
do the same
their
thing.
share. Yeah, if there's an account number, I'm not going to call my sister, and I promise you I won't call her. No matter what, I won't pick up my phone to call my sister. She's my younger sister. I told me I told your phone off, ma. If there's a number, an account number, text it to me. I will send money. And if you people are continuing this program, please do those things with the right information. Anybody is free to come say, "Oh, my family is this," or they know that the father did not do this. The father, see, it's not only my family that has issues. You understand? Okay.
So,
the only thing I will do is this. If you people want to continue to entertain my sister,
no. We are Green.
That is what I see you people are doing.
Green, listen to me. Green, you go listen to me.
My sister is saying that
Green, you don't know what you know the matter we would on.
If you have a sister, if you have listen, I'm a man. If you have a sister, a younger sister, the least I can do is to send money. And if my sister says I'm not sending money,
Green, I no one talk. Green, you want make me talk with her? I no one talk. You want make me talk with her? I no one talk.
Calm down.
You need to calm. But I no one talk with her. I no one talk. If I talk some kind of things, everything goes scatter. I get some things where I no one talk intentionally. And if you notice, I clearly told you, so I go call you off air for some kind talk. Not make me talk. I'm on air. Not make me talk. I'm on air. With this way where you go with the conversation. Not make me talk. And I respect you and your entire family. Now make me no want talk some kind talk. So I beg, not let me talk. So not be voice where they raise in our work. Now, Tombo is going to follow you up on the issue of sending money for your mother and your sister. Do well to assist them. Thank you very much. Now here, I'm Golden. We'll not get time. We have 20 seconds.
I'm not saying anything much. I just want to say we don't have time again in that house. There is no time, and Green knows about it. There is no time again. We're supposed to. I told you now that it was 7 days. It has passed. It has passed.
Okay, we'll go reach out to Green. Don't worry.
After the show, now we'll go reach out to Green, and then we'll take him from there. But anyway, now here we'll keep quiet on top of this show. If you know say you want assist, you'll be persuaded they want like assist Golding and the mother. Send me DM Nedu _Wazoba FM for Instagram. Send Tombo underscore Wazoba FM, or if you send Deity call Tone DEITY _ call for Instagram. If you want assist them, send them to them. So that we send message to them so that we go know how we go pass on the message to her. For now, we go keep quiet. Hand over to Ra on top market runs. Not go anywhere.